Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So a few days ago I did a slap pour where I basically covered the canvas with white paint and then I put some paint in a pile and I slapped it. If you didn't see that video, check it out. I'll put the link in the description. I didn't have quite enough force, I think. So someone had a suggestion that I'm going to try out today. And I'm so sorry, I cannot remember who that suggestion was by. But anyways, I'm also going to coat this, as you can see, not with white, but with this blue. And this is another canvas that I'm reusing. So underneath is, I primed and painted. I sprayed it with a primer and painter over a painting that I did not like. All right, so my daughter is going to assist me in this. So Sierra Bear, what I need you to do is fill my hand with paint. Alright, this is going to be interesting, you guys. Okay, let's see. We'll use white, black, blue, and purple. Are you ready? Mm-hmm. Okay.
How much?
Just as much as my hand can hold, basically. Okay, good. Let's do some white. That's the corner it's going to fall off. Yeah. There's not a lot of white left. Okay, good.
Not done yet.
I know. A little bit of black. Okay.
Wait.
Oh. It's going over. That's okay.
That's the rest. Now you're done. Go.
Okay. That was fun. I'm not sure how much actually made it onto the canvas, but that was pretty cool, huh? Mm-hmm. Let's see. I still got some on my gloves. Should I slap again?
Mm-hmm.
It looks like some weird creature. Okay. So I'm going to tilt just a little and spread it out. Oh my gosh, I meant to do the loud sound warning again, guys. I'm sorry. I mean, that was definitely interesting. Definitely. So I'm going to spread this out a little bit, and then I'll let it sit as usual to see what develops. And I'll also show you guys the other one, how it looked dried. Just going to go a little bit this way. Try not to create any particular pattern or anything. Okay. What do you think? Should we do more or leave it?
More tilting.
More tilting?
Yeah.
Okay. Like this way?
Yeah. Just some random way.
Just randomly, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, we're getting some really pretty, like, turquoisey cells in there. Teal, rather. Okay, how's that?
And you should do more slapping for.
More slapping? Should we put more paint in the glove?
Yeah.
And do it again? Okay, let's do it one more time.
Do you want to try actually, like, putting it in the glove?
Like, in? No.
And then you put the glove lightly on and you...
That seems like a horrible idea, but that's like another version of that balloon pour I tried that didn't work at all.
Well, but that one's going to work.
Yeah, that would work.
Open.
Okay, future experiment. All right, load me up. Good.
I'm going to just do that. And then we'll wait a tiny bit.
No, I'm just holding it over the canvas because it's going to run out of my hand. And some white. Okay. Now, guys, if you cannot have fun with your painting, then why are you even bothering? Okay, here we go. You ready? Loud sound warning. And... Man, that's going to make some awesome skins. Alright, tilt just a little. The main reason we tilt, just in case anyone's wondering, is because we don't want to leave the paint too thick in any particular spot to prevent cracking. Ooh, I like this purple and black over here. Nice. You like the white and blue? Okay. How do we feel? I think that's good. I like it. All right. It definitely added some more interest to it. So let's go ahead. We'll let it sit. We'll see anything else that develops, and then we'll come back and do our close-up. Okay, so we're back. We have a ton of really cool spots here that formed with the force and everything, I'm sure. I was going to show you the other one dry. So this was the initial slap pour. I did have a few points where the white was a little too thin and the gray came through, so I wasn't super happy with that, but that's okay. Overall, dried pretty. It's funny because this one's nice and delicate, and then this one's like, bah! It's like really bold. So let's do our close-up. All right, lower right-hand corner. So we have the initial splatter covered up by the second splatter partially there. We still got those really cool teal cells right there, which I love. Up here, this purple section, which is killer. Look at this. So cool. Purple, black, and white there. So that's the upper right-hand corner. This looks like some crazy mad creature. Over to the upper left-hand corner, we've got those crazy splats coming across. Lower left-hand corner, which is still pretty bare. And back around. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this second version of the slap pour. So if you're feeling frustrated or mad at somebody, take it out on your canvas, not on their face. Although throwing paint at people does sound really fun too. But yes, take it out on your canvas. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you had fun being silly with me and Sierra. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.